Meow, 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 I'm a cat.
On today's episode of Buy or DIY,
Melissa is a new mother looking to give some TLC to her first love, her cat Mac.
we're going to give Mac a cat hub that shows her just how much she's loved. I'm going to find the perfect buy. You could totally have fun with it.
And I'm gonna find a solution with a DIY. It's like we're going peace. At the end, Melissa is gonna pick which one she likes best.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is Buy or DIY.
Hey, I'm Melissa. I have a cat and we love her so much. She has a space down here in the basement that she's kind of made her own, and she loves just like hanging out down here. But I've also had a baby recently, so she's now gonna have to share this space down here. And I was hoping you guys could help me out with like a spot for her to lounge in where we could keep her cat litter so it's safe from the baby. Maybe like a bit of seating on there. We just want it multifunctional. So a little cat hub. Our budget is about $375, and I'm hoping you guys could help me out.
Aw, I love cats.
Oh, and her baby's so cute.
Yeah, cats and babies.
I love them.
People always think that pet decor has to be boring. It is not. You can buy something so cool and decorative.
Totally.
I actually think you could win this.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
because anything is possible.
Oh,
Get it?
I get it.
Cat got your tongue?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any cat puns.
I mean, there's zero cat puns in any of the episodes.
No, there's cats wearing hats. Cats wearing tiny hats.
Well, and don't forget to hit that bell notification if you love cats wearing tiny hats, because you don't want to miss an episode.
You really don't. You really, really don't.
All right, so Alexandra obviously has an advantage in this situation. I am like 100% not a cat person. But what I do know is that anything is possible when you have a good idea and good design. So here's what I'm thinking. First, I'm going to thrift an old two-door TV unit off a buy and sell website. I'll cut a small cat door on the side so that Mac the cat can enter with ease. The first room will have a small litter catching carpet and a treat bowl to grab a quick snack. I'll then create another walkway into the second room, which will be the hub for litter box and bathroom needs. On the top of the unit, I'll make Mac a comfortable seating area and paint the doors a beautiful dark blue to match her aesthetic and update the legs to something modern and beautiful.
This is a topic I am super passionate about. How to live with cats stylishly and functionally in a small space. Right, Marty? This litter box is going in an open space, so it needs to keep the cat litter hidden. It also needs to be child-friendly for Melissa's daughter. I'm off to find some really beautiful litter boxes that hide all that mess, and of course, some fun cat accessories to top it all off.
I feel like it's really cozy in here. A cat's gonna fit great. Human body, not so much. So, we found this beautiful thrifted piece, but we're gonna hack this for Mac. It's a hack for Mac. So the first thing we need to do is take off these doors. So a really cool element to this cat hub, I'll take frames to make the holes look nicer. So I'm just gonna figure out where I want my frame to be positioned. Now I have a 3/4 inch spade bit, and I'm gonna use it to drill 2 holes, creating an opening so that I can saw my window out. Ooh, nice. What I'm gonna use is my good friend, Mr. Jig. Here we go. Not so satisfying. Hello? Anybody else?
When you're buying for your pets, shop as if you are shopping for yourself. Make sure that your pet's decor reflects the rest of your space, especially if you live in an open concept home. Everything you have on display counts. You can totally go for something really cute like this cactus bed. That was a lot of cats and cactus in one sentence. Or go with something more sleek and modern like this beautiful dog bed. There's so many options out there, so have fun with it.
So nice. So what I'm taking is a construction adhesive glue. It's like toothpaste or like icing. It's so hard. There's like no way to make a good face while doing this. So now, flip that over. Okay, then we're going to do the inside frame. Okay. It's best to get in the mindset of the person that you're building for. Meow, meow, meow. Oh.
Pets come with a lot of stuff, whether you have a cat or a dog, and a great tip is to find really cute decorative baskets just to hide all of that stuff away. Toys, treats. If you find a cute basket that can be left on display, it's functional because it acts as storage, but it also looks really great. I also love these really cute cat baskets. You can put anything in here and no one will know.
Okay, so I have my 2 doors here. I'm just going to give this a light sand. It's giving something for the paint to kind of grab onto. Okay, that's great. Love this color. Wow. Especially with all those jewel tones that are kicking right now. Very popular. I guess it's kind of easy to forget about cats. Not like, I don't mean like forget about cats, but I mean, they're not like dogs. Dogs are like in your face every single day being like, give me attention, give me attention, give me attention. Or maybe that's just my dog. But cats are a little bit more standoffish. They're kind of like lone rangers, aren't they? You know, they like walk around the house and they just do their own thing. They come out once in a while and they're like, hey. I think Melissa's amazing for wanting to do this and give back to her cat. All right, so these are gonna need another layer, but I gotta let this one dry. So I'm gonna set these off to the side and we're gonna do a little sewing.
Litter boxes do not have to be an eyesore, and this one is proof. Marty here has the most trendy litter box on the block, and I really want to get something like this for Melissa. Something that's a show-stopping piece, maybe something that has a top where I can put a cat bed. I really want to find something that's wood, maybe something a little mid-century modern, but definitely something like this. Something that becomes a decor piece just like this does, even though it's where the cats poop.
So I've got a lot of really cool stuff in front of me. This beautiful fabric. I like the pattern because it's gonna hide a lot of cat hair. So what we're gonna be creating, super fancy, is an envelope pillowcase. So I'm just going to sew all the way around, so the 2 edges together. It's gonna be a win, guys. This is gonna be so good. I just gotta learn how to sew first. This is the slowest anyone's ever sewed in their entire life. She's gaining confidence, she's picking up speed. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait to show you how this looks at the end. So I brought Mac a gift, did you?
Yeah, I brought her the winning buy.
Okay, well Mac's gonna love this because it's positively perfect.
You definitely stole that pun from me, I'm just saying.
No, I did!
Hey! Hey guys! So this is our space.
Basement.
Little cat apartment.
Wow. Okay, so this is the space.
And you have a litter box already, but it's all open, so it's not really child friendly.
Yeah, like she's gonna crawl soon, so she'll probably get into it. Which is exciting and terrifying
Scary.
at the same time.
Well, we have 2 amazing options for Mac because that's what we do. So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Are you ready?
Maybe a
Bye.
surprise.
Are you excited?
I am.
Okay, right here.
On the count of 3, take off your blindfold, okay?
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Okay. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Like genuinely, this is so adorable.
So this is the DIY option. This is the buy.
Beautiful.
And before you make any decisions, I want to first explain my buy to you.
Okay.
You asked for a beautiful litter box that also kind of doubled as a bench. and I found this beautiful piece of cat furniture.
It is beautiful.
I went smaller for a reason. I wanted it to just be like tucked away in the corner, something you don't really notice, but then when you do, you're like, oh, that's really cute. Is that a litter box? Yes, it is. It's pretty hard for like a little child to get into the litter box, but when you want to clean it, you just lift the lid up, just like this, and it's really easy to clean. It's modern, it's sleek, and I just think that it'll work anywhere in your house. You could use it as a side table even, a lot of people do that. So I bought actually 2 options of cat beds for Mac. One's like more sophisticated when she's like, I want to be prim and proper. And the other one is just when she wants to have fun. It's a cactus shaped cat bed.
It's
like,
very cute.
How adorable.
Yeah, I love this piece. I love that it's modern. I love that it's sleek. I love that it hides the litter really well and that it doubles as a side table. I like it a lot.
So your budget was $375. Now this piece of furniture was $307, and I know that seems a little pricey, but honestly, like beautiful cat furniture is expensive. You're paying for like a luxury piece of cat furniture, and I think it shows because it just looks so like that step up from your regular plastic one.
Yeah.
All right, so I know Gator just gave you a solid option, but I have a cat-tastic option, and I want to walk you through it, all right? You asked for a cat hub that can hold a litter box. Well, I brought you an entire cat hotel. I knew that I had to not only think about Mac, but I also had to think about you. You have beautiful blue upstairs, you have these modern brown teak tables and kind of like an eclectic look going on. So I wanted to play with all of those things and bring you a piece that's gonna look so beautiful in your home. So when you open up the door in the first window, you kind of have the first room. We have a nice little carpet for like, you know, catching litter when it comes out of the box. It's a place you can put a water dish, some treats. Then on the other side, you have your litter box. So it's kind of like, you know, when you walk into a washroom and then you have like the toilet that's in its own room and then the sink and the vanity that's in one room. It's kind of like that. It's like a nice, like upscaled bathroom. I built an entire pillow topper for our girl. It's got fun tassels. This just opens up. You have all your pillows that are inside. You pull the pillows out and you can wash it whenever you want. To really make it beautiful, I used a little hack that I learned from Gator. Thank you.
You're welcome, Dani.
Which is I sourced these beautiful legs that go on the unit. And with having a baby, obviously you want to make this piece safe, so just adding a cable wire to the back that will attach to the wall will make sure that this is completely wall safe and baby safe.
I love that it's so creative. I love that it was upcycled. I also like how this functions like a cabinet, like I could put a TV on it, and that it's also easy to clean. Like it's big, but it's also really functional.
For this entire cat hotel, I spent a total of $212.
Okay, Melissa, you've seen both options. Time has come to make your final decision. Are you going to buy or are you going to DIY?
Okay, I don't know. It's really hard to choose. I really love both pieces. It's like I'm going back and forth between the two. But ultimately, I just know that Mac will not jump that high. Like she's kind of a lazy cat. So I think I'm gonna go with the buy.
Go with the buy! No, it's fine. I get it. You have to do what's right for Mac. Good pick, Gator.
Thanks. I'm so glad you love it.
Thank you both. These are beautiful pieces.
Yay!
You're very welcome.
Mac, I hope you like your new litter box.
Do you like the gift I brought you?
No, she hates it.
Well, you guys should let us know. Were you team DIY?
Or team buy, like Mac.
Let us know in the comments section below, and we will see you guys soon.
Bye.